In this video, we'll show you how to connect your Printify account to Etsy. In order to do this, you first need to become a seller on Etsy.com. Find the Sell on Etsy button on the top right and click on Open your Etsy shop. Here, you'll need to go through all of the necessary steps to get your account prepared. Note, completing these steps is crucial for the integration to work. Here on Step 3, Etsy requires to create a listing. Don't worry, this can just be a draft product which you can delete later. After that, finish setting up your account by adding payment information in Step 4 and 5. Once that is done, log into your Printify account. On the top right under Manage Stores, click on Add New Store. Before clicking Connect, make sure you're logged into Etsy on your browser. Click on Continue and you'll be automatically redirected to Etsy, where you'll have to allow access to secure the connection. Now you can publish products directly from your Printify account and have listings created automatically on your store. Printify. It's that simple.